You have reached your destination.
Yep. And we're done. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. Again, this is loosely tied down. I'll tighten everything once I start hanging doors and things. But headlight bucket is on, and so on and so forth. Wanted to point out something I bought a long time ago, and it's this stuff. This thread chaser, thread restorers. I've been using this one, and this one for the windshield stuff, but and a broken one. These things are very, 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 very handy. After painting that thing and not having any give a darn about captive nuts and threads and everything else, threading something into them would have been tough. So these just dig right in there and restore the thread. So awfully, awfully handy. There we go. I need to put the lens on, now that I think of it. And then the other ring, this thing. But I've got everything ready to go. You can see that I've got the fender is tied in, but it's not tightened down. I'll do that after I hang the doors. I repainted this thing. I had to. Mainly because when I was getting everything ready, this is from here to about here down is all a new piece. I welded that in, but I didn't paint it well enough. And I had some very poorly done spots. So I more or less, stripped the, not stripped, buffed up, scuffed up, messed up the paint, the old paint, and redid the paint job. And it looks pretty good. Man, there's me. I got a nib right there, but that's easy. I'll take that off with a razor blade and then buff out the entire thing. Another nib. Oh, you can see it. Maybe you can't. There it is. Yeah, but that's easy. And here too. And I got a really good activator for the clear coat, so I did a good job on the clear coat. Usually I have to be very, very, very careful, but there you go. Now I'm finishing up on the fender welting. This is it, silver stuff, and I basically cut a whole bunch of reliefs on these things, and so I could bend it. And then I took my, where is it? There it is. My blowtorch and a junked up screwdriver without the handle. I heated it up and would poke the holes, as you can see here. So whole bunch more to go. Now that I've got the holes poked, I'm just cutting out the V's so that I can put them in where they need to go. And that just will go right over all of those bolts nice and easily, and I'm done. So now that this is on, I'll put the wheel back on. Of course, I'll start probably, I don't know if I'll work on the windshield or not. I need to get the things that go in the windshield, the posts, nice little surrounds there. But then I'll finish up on the interior, actually. And then get the doors hung, and then I'll, tighten all my fenders. That's barely on there. This is barely on there. Well, all of them are barely on there. So, like I said, once I get the doors done, I'll fiddle with, fart with, and adjust all the other fenders and gaps and everything else and tighten it all down nice and tight. So, there we go. Okay, so I've pretty much officially hit my god damn it limit, and here's what I've got: gasket, steel bucket, headlight retainer, headlight, and then chrome ring. Chrome ring got the dimple in the top here. It's supposed to, I'm guessing, hook into here, and then slide down. And then a screw goes there, and it hooks in. It screws in the bottom. Scarborough Faire. God damn it, you whore. Press pause. Put this on a freaking tripod. Okay, I'm gonna try this again. hook in the top. Okay, and then one would think it would slide over the bucket, nice and easy, and it doesn't. I've tried with the dust ring, without the dust ring, and on and on and on, to no joy. So, take this off the tripod. I cannot get it over the inner bucket, right? And it is so tight that I can't get it under or around the goddamn thing where I can screw it in. So I'm going to return the goddamn freaking thing and buy it from Moss. I've been fiddling with this for the last 3 days, or 2 days, 3 days, whatever the hell it is, with no luck. And I am just not happy. Not happy.